How to make a video private on TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on your profile option on the bottom right of your screen and you will be led to your TikTok profile. Here, go ahead and navigate to the video that you want to make private. Once you have opened the video, tap on the three dots you see there and then tap on the privacy settings by scrolling through. Further, go ahead and set it to Only You radio button, and once you tap on the Only You radio button, the video will be sent to the private mode and you can only view the video and none of your followers or anyone trying to find the video will not be able to view the video. So this is how you can make a video private on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.